Hi. Expo 2021, that's a hot word in town. Are you prepared for Expo 2021? Shall we look into the certain job opportunities or what you get benefit from Expo 2021? There are many job opportunities in Expo 2021. Plus, there are a lot of opportunities surrounded to that, like suppliers and vendors and so many options. So let us go deep into the kind of job opportunities and how you can grab it. What kind of probably certifications or courses will help you, or how you can apply to these jobs. So let us look at what this Expo 2021 can offer to you. Let's have a quick look at what is this Expo 2021 all about. Then we will analyze what kind of opportunities open for us.
One of the most progressive cities of the world is going to host Dubai Expo 2020. From the 1st of October 2021 till 31st of March 2022.
Job opportunities available. You can Google it and see what kind of opportunities are available. There are direct site announcing the Expo site is announcing the jobs, plus related recruitment portals are announcing different positions. There are many positions available for customer service, event organizers, event supply chain, related supply chain logistics, facilities management, positions like event related functions, and general administration, including drivers. A lot of opportunities are available. First level positions, senior level positions, mid level positions. So it's after this crisis time, corona pandemic time, the very happening is this Expo 2021. So lots of openings are there. So I would be explaining about the openings later on each position. So please watch the video and I'll give an explanations on different positions and how you can apply that. There are temporary positions as well as permanent positions. Interns also is available for this period till March 2022, till the end of Expo 2021. So the intern positions, all visit visa people can apply, or even permanent jobs are available, and the salary ranges even between, let's say, around 3,000 dirham to even go up to 20,000, 30,000 dirhams per month. So these are the kind of ranges. So you all can apply, and we need to look at whether you have needed skill or the knowledge or the ability. So we will look into it little later. So if you have any specific questions related to how you can apply for these positions, how you can, what kind of certifications required, what kind of assistance or the skills or the other competencies that you need, please write in the comment box. We will let you know, and we will update you all this positions status. So thanks for watching the video.